Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, Senior Lecturer in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology from IF Department. In last part of Internet of Things, we studied about applications, issues, challenges, definition of IoT. In this part, we are going to see about IoT devices. These are the learning outcomes of overall chapter embedded system, architecture of embedded system, embedded processors, IoT definition and characteristics, IoT enabling technologies, IoT label and deployment templates, IoT issues and challenges application, and last IoT devices and its features. IoT devices and its features. Internet of Things devices is non-standard device that connect wirelessly to a network with each other and able to transfer the data. IoT devices are enlarging the internet connectivity beyond standard devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and desktops. There are large varieties of IoT devices available based on IEEE 802.15.4 standard. These devices range from wireless mode, attachable sensor boards to interface board, which are useful to researchers and developers. IoT devices include computer devices, software, wireless sensors, and actuators. These IoT devices are connected over the internet and enabling the data transfer among objects and or people automatically without human intervention. IoT devices. Embedded system-based IoT devices are Arduino, Intel Galileo, Raspberry Pi, and QB board. And in wearable IoT devices are Google Glass, Samsung Gear, Fitbit, Pebble Watch, Android Wear. Properties of IoT devices: sense, send and receive data, analyze, and control. These are the properties of IoT devices. We learn these properties in detail in lecture. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno device are the microcontrollers and microcontroller kit for building digital devices that can be sense and control objects in the physical and digital world. Arduino boards are furnished with a set of digital and analog input or output pins that may be interfaced to various other circuits. Some Arduino boards include USB Universal Serial Bus used for loading programs from the personal computer. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Here is the Arduino Uno board or a circuit board. Properties of Arduino: inexpensive, cross-platform, simple, clear programming environment, open source and extensible software, open source and extensible hardware. Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card-sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. The Raspberry Pi is a very cheap computer that runs Linux, but it also provides a set of GPIO (general purpose input or output) pins that allow you to control electronic components for physical computing and explore the Internet of Things. Raspberry Pi has ARM v6 700 MHz single-core processor, a video core, 4 GPU, and 512 MB of RAM. It uses an SD card for its operating system and data storage. The Raspberry Pi officially supports Raspbian, a lightweight Linux OS based on Debian. Here is the circuit of Raspberry Pi, which consists of 4 USB port, 1 LAN connection, 1 microphone connection, and a 40-pin connection which is used for GPIO. Components of Raspberry Pi board: ARM CPU or GPU, GPIO, RCA, Arduino out, LEDs, USB, HDMI, power, SD card slot, Ethernet. Advantages of Raspberry Pi: the size of the Raspberry Pi is in small of credit card. The price of the Raspberry Pi is low. Gathering a set of Raspberry Pi to work as a server is more effective than a normal server. Applications of Raspberry Pi. Different applications of Raspberry Pi model are media streamer, tablet computer, home automation, internet radio, controlling robots, cosmic computer, arcade machines, Raspberry Pi based projects. NodeMu. NodeMCU or NodeMu is an open source IoT platform. The Node MCU, Node Microcontroller Unit, is an open source software and hardware development environment that is built around a very inexpensive system on chip called ESP8266. The ESP8266 can be controlled from your local Wi-Fi network or from the internet. The ESP01 module has GPIO pins that can be programmed to run an LED or a relay on or off through the internet. The module can be programmed using an Arduino USB to TTL converter through the serial pins. It uses a Lua scripting and C language with Arduino software using Arduino library. It has 10 GPIO. Every GPIO can be PWM 12C one wire. It is Wi-Fi enabled device. Node MCU development board is featured with Wi-Fi capability, analog pins, digital pins and serial communication protocols. Node MCU development kit has Arduino like analog that is A0 and digital D0 to D8 pins on its board. It supports serial communication protocol that is UART, SPI, 12C, etc. Using such serial protocols, we can connect it with serial devices like 12C enabled LCD display, magnetometer HMC 5883, MPU 6050, gyrometer plus accelerometer, RTC chips, GPS modules, touchscreen displays, SD cards, etc. And here is the picture of NodeMu. Here we end with the fifth part of second chapter, that is IoT. Thank you.